The materials needed for the sunflower hairpin are 5 colors of yarn, a 2.0 crochet hook, stitch markers, a snap hairpin, a sewing needle, and a hot glue stick. Magic ring. Wrap the yarn clockwise around the left pinky finger. Then bring it counterclockwise over the index finger and middle finger. Hold the end of the yarn with your left thumb, insert the crochet hook into the loop, yarn over, and pull out. Then make a chain stitch. Yarn over and pull the loop through the slip knot. This creates a chain stitch. Next, let's start the first round. First, we need to crochet 6 single crochets. Insert your hook into the chain stitch, yarn over, and pull through the chain stitch. You should have 2 loops on your hook now. Yarn over again. Now you will pull the yarn with your hook through both loops. This should leave only 1 loop on your hook. This is a single crochet. After completing the 6 single crochets, you can see 6 letters V. Every V is a stitch. Hold the end of the yarn and slightly fasten off the loop. Make a slip stitch. Insert the crochet hook into the first stitch, yarn over, and pull out to connect the beginning and end. And finish the first round with a slip stitch. Second round, first crochet a chain stitch. Then make 6 single crochet increase. Starts from the slip stitch and makes 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, which is a single crochet increase. When the first single crochet is finished, use the stitch marker to make a mark. Continue to crochet 6 single crochet increase stitches. After that, you will find that there are 2 more stitches. Just ignore it. The slip, the stitch, and the chain stitch occupy 2 stitches. Remove the stitch marker, insert the hook from the first stitch, and finish the second round with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. For the third round, start with a chain stitch, then make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increases as a group. Crochet 6 groups. After the single crochet, make the single crochet increase in the stitch next to it. Five groups and more. Remove the stitch marker and finish the third round with a slip stitch. The central part of the sunflower has been completed. A complete stitch is composed of a left and right half V-shaped. The next two layers of petals need to be crocheted on the inner and outer half stitches respectively. Switch to yellow yarn. Insert the hook from the half stitch at the back of the flower center and make 3 chain stitches. Crochet 3 double crochet stitches in the next back loop stitches. The method of crocheting a double crochet stitch is as follows. Yarn over and insert your hook. Yarn over again, pull the yarn out of the loop. This should create 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on your hook. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. This is a double crochet. Continue to crochet the remaining 2 double crochets in the same stitch. After completing 3 double crochet stitches, crochet 3 chain stitches. Use a slip stitch to connect to the next stitch, and 1 petal is completed. One more time, 3 chain stitches. Crochet 3 double crochet stitches in 1 stitch. Three chain stitches. Using a slip stitch to connect to the next stitch, the second petal is completed. Repeat the above steps. Insert the hook from the half stitch at the front of the flower center and make 3 chain stitches. Crochet to double crochet stitches in 1 stitch. Use a slip stitch to connect to the next stitch, and 1 petal is completed. One more time, 3 chain stitches. Crochet to double crochet stitches in 1 stitch. Use slip stitches to connect to the next stitch, so the second petal is completed. Upon completing the last petal, cut the yarn. Hide the yarn in the back of the flower. Completed. Tips: friction between hairpins and crochet hooks can cause damage to the hooks. Therefore, crochet the hairpin after completing the entire flower. Slow down the speed during the crochet process to avoid excessive damage to the hook. Snap the hairpin with the large round head facing left. Insert the crochet hook through the gap of the hairpin and crochet a chain stitch first. Make 14 single crochet stitches. Crochet 5 chain stitch connects to the other side of the hairpin. At this time, the big round head moves to the right and continues to make 14 single crochet stitches. After completing the single crochet stitches, you need to crochet 1/2 double crochet. The method for crocheting a medium long stitch is as follows: yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. This creates a half double crochet. Continue to crochet 3 double crochet stitches to wrap around the small round head. On the other side, crochet 1/2 double crochet stitch as well. Find the first stitch and finish the first round with a slip stitch. Start with a chain stitch. Crochet 14 slip stitches for each stitch. After completing 14 slip stitches, treat 5 chain stitches as one large stitch. One-half double crochet stitch. 5 double crochet stitches. Another half double crochet stitch. Crochet 19 slip stitches on the other side of the hairpin. After completing the 19 slip stitches, remove the stitch marker, make another slip stitch to finish, and then cut the yarn. cut the yarn and hide the end. Heat the hot glue stick and apply it to the hair clip. PS. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use a lighter to heat it. Apply hot glue to the back of the flower and attach it to the hair clip. Sunflower hair clip completed.